at Baker is definitely, it's a family. You get to know people throughout all levels. You're not just with your class. There's a commons area that people congregate and hang out and study and eat lunch. So you definitely get to know everyone, which I think is great. Starting nursing school, it's kind of an adjustment. It's the beginning, it can be kind of overwhelming at first, but it's great because there's so many people there to help you, and just really finding the routine that works best for you. Everybody has different study habits and different ways they go about things. So I found the routine that worked best for me. I like to study in the morning, so I got up pretty early and studied, and I had a planner. I had 2 planners that kept me very organized. So learning time management is a very big part of nursing school. The faculty here, I think, really go above and beyond for their students every day. Their open door policy, going in and talking to them, I have a lot of the teachers' cell phone numbers, home phone numbers, you have their emails. They're really available to you at any time. If you're struggling, you're studying for a test and have questions about something, you might talk to their spouse if you call them at home, but they really enjoy helping students, and I really think that they go above and beyond being just a faculty member every day. I think Baker has prepared me great for my career. I feel very confident in starting to work on the nursing floor, just finishing our capstone, which is kind of like an internship. They really prepare you to think critically and think on your feet and to look at the whole picture, not just at one certain part. So I feel really confident to go ahead and start my career and learn more things.